What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to take a quick look at MATIC. Currently sitting at 76 cents, up 1.13 on the day. Seeing market cap of 6.5 billion, 24-hour volume 424 million. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple of wave counts. The one that I'm looking at is that this was a wave 4 pullback. Now this is a pretty crazy like wave 1 down, and then this is a wave 2, and then coming down into 3. But if that does play out, a wave 5 target zone is in between about 0.67 and 0.64, and that would, in my opinion, only complete a wave 1, and then you'd be looking for a wave 2. As what I'm looking at is this is a wave 4, this is a wave 1, wave 2. Your wave 3 target is all the way down here at about 45 cents. Now if you are looking at the bullish scenario and you think this is the top of a wave 1, well, you'd have to be looking at an ABC correction, and your minimum target for a wave 2 pullback is 67 cents. So that would make sense how you would put in one more low. But this is not the wave count that I'm looking at. I don't think it's probable at all. But your normal wave 2 zone is in between 58 and 42 cents, the 0.5 to 0.786 for a wave 2. But as I mentioned, the wave count I'm looking at on the macro scale is that this is a wave 4, and we're still coming down in a wave 5. But on the micro scale with our micro counts here, I do think we'll come down and put in a lower low. But if we were to start making an impulsive move to the upside, then what you'd be looking at here is that that's a wave 5 completion of a wave 1, and then maybe an impulsive move into an A, or you would see an A. This could honestly be an A right here, where this is an A. You're seeing a wave B pullback, and then you're going to push up in a wave C. The only reason that I've drawn a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the fact that we have made it looks like a 5-wave move. So we'll have to see if that plays out. But personally, I think you're going to come down for one more low. But if we were to push up, it's still bearish on the macro trend that you're just pushing up in a wave 2 pullback. So what you would do is you could pull this down. So all I'd be looking for is a wave 2 pullback. So basically take your fib retrace, and then I would pull this up here. So this would be your wave 1 down, and then you would see a wave 2 pullback that would take you in between 80 cents to 88 cents before coming down in a 3 of the wave 3 here in yellow. That is if we break out to the upside. I do think we could easily put in one more wave down in a wave 5 to complete the wave 1 in white before putting in that wave 2 pullback in between 64 and 67 cents. We have broken out of this ascending channel, which I've been mentioning, with the target all the way down at the bottom of the channel at 34 cents. It looks like we have a little bit of a head and shoulders. I don't really like patterns, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Pretty ugly pattern in my opinion. But the technical target of that pattern, which has just broken the neckline, would take you down here all the way back down to this level of support of about 55 cents. I'm sure a lot of people are looking at some sort of falling wedge. Let me see if there's a falling wedge. This is, yeah, it looks like you could argue that that's some sort of falling wedge, but that's why I don't like patterns, guys. I don't think they're that reliable. But we have come down to a demand zone here at 67 cents. You can see support in this area, support right here. So there is potential for a bounce. I would expect one more lower low, but if we do bounce from here, then we could look at this wave 1 being complete and looking at some sort of impulse or a 3-wave move, some sort of ABC correction to put in a wave 2 before dropping deeper, in my opinion. The bullish wave count is that this is all wave 1. You're putting in ABC. I don't think that's the likely scenario, but your minimum target is 67 cents. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. You can gain free access if you sign up to Bybit, and send me your email and send me the email you signed up with. Then you will receive free access. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries and exits for my trades. Recently locked in some gains, some small gains here on a Bitcoin short. Trade still open with the stop loss at break even. I also post my analysis before the videos come out. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All chat rooms are free if you sign up to Bybit. Send me your email that you signed up with, and my signals and analysis are $10 a month. Check out my full length tutorial on Bybit, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.